How to make $1,000 per month by selling digital products on Etsy. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm Rebecca, and in today's video we will learn together about making money on Etsy with products like digital products and how you can make $1,000 per month by selling this kind of products. So the platform that you will need to choose if you want to earn $1,000 per month is the Etsy platform, and on this platform you will need to sell digital products. So in today's video we will see together how to earn $1,000 by selling this kind of products, what you need to do, the business plan that you will need to follow if you want to get more and more sales to your Etsy shop if you are a digital product seller. So let's go. Etsy platform is the best platform of selling digital products. If you want to sell this kind of products, you will be able to choose the Etsy platform. And of course, if you are a beginner, this is the best platform to use. If you don't know how to start a shop, if you don't know how to sell and how to make money by selling digital products, you are able to choose this platform, and it will be simple for you to start to earn money online and to start to make $1,000 per month. So the next step that we will follow is about what products to sell on Etsy. You will need to sell and to choose a kind of category of digital products. So the category that you can choose between is the digital prints and digital templates. You will be able to create templates for social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, website design, logo, banners, Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Pinterest pins, Pinterest ideas pins, and more. Or you can choose to sell digital prints for home, designs for some rooms from the house, for kids' room, for home living, for kitchen. So you will need to choose between these two kind of category, between the digital prints and between the digital templates. So if you want to earn $1,000 per month as a digital product seller on Etsy, you will need to follow a business plan, the business plan that I will show in the next minutes. So if you want to make this money per month, you will need to list 10 products at 2 weeks. So you will need to list 20 products per month, at least 20 or 30 products per month. One of your products will have more sales, one of your products will maybe have no sales, so you don't know what products will have sales. So it is better to list at the beginning more products, like 20 or 30 products per month. What price to use? $10. If you will sell 100 products per month with $10, you will make $1,000 per month. So it is better if you will put a low price at the beginning, because people will buy from you faster. But based on what kind of products you will have, you don't need to choose the $10 price for the whole product that you have. You can choose based on what kind of products you have, but this is the price that you can choose to set for the most of your products that you have listed on your shop. So if you want to make $1,000 per month, you will need to sell 100 products per month. So how you can do this thing, how to sell on Etsy, how to make sales. Once you will do all this business plan, once you list all of your products, all the necessary products to be able to earn $1,000 per month, you will need, of course, to optimize your account to sell products, to be able to sell products in the future. And how you can do this thing, you will need to optimize your account, of course, to use the right description for your listings, use the right title, the right pictures, to promote your online business on another platform like Pinterest, like Instagram, or why not YouTube. So if you want to sell more and more of digital products, you will need to do all these steps, you will need to follow, and you will surely make $1,000 per month if you want, and if you will be consistent. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that I was helpful for you with this video. I hope that this will inspire you to start your own shop on Etsy. If you have any other questions, you'll be able to ask me on my Pinterest account or on my Instagram account, Rebecca.passion into income. Don't forget to subscribe here. In my description, you'll find some affiliate links that will lead you to some products, maybe helpful for you as well. So don't forget that you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I hope that I will see you, of course, in my next video. Bye!